Okay, so what I'm going to do is just demonstrate how you can book via SMS AI in GoHighLevel. It's going to look something like this. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Just add in the automation. And then what it's going to do is just send an AI message that looks like this. So it's going to send that. Hi, this is Emily. Basically, imagine that your client does roofing or whatever, right? And then basically you're running a roof replacement campaign on Meta or something, right? And this is basically going to ask if they would like a free estimate of the roof replacement, right? So you're running ads for your client. Your client is contacting homeowners or trying to get some homeowners signed on roof replacements, and the homeowner has just filled out a Facebook or Instagram form, and basically this is what happens, right? So once they fill it out, the homeowner receives, "Hi, this is Emily. I'm the concierge here at whatever the business name is. Would you like a free estimate for your roof replacement?" So I have over here this Google Voice, so I can demo it for you. So let's pretend I'm the homeowner. And then now the SMS AI is going to attempt to book me in. Cool. Cool. Yep. So that's pretty much it. It's just created the appointment now, and it's pretty much sent. This is just pending, but let me show you the calendar so that you know it's working. So if I go over here, 12 p.m. one-to-one discovery session, that is booked, right? So how did I actually do that, and how can you do that as well? So simply A to Z, I'm just going to demonstrate it over here. So the first thing you want to do is create a workflow, select or start from scratch. Then what you want to do is basically you want to add in a trigger. Now this can be a Facebook form, this can be anything that you want, right? You're going to add in a trigger. It can be anything. It can be a webhook, it can be any sort of trigger, or you can leave it blank if you wish, and then nothing really happens. And then select your page over here. I'm going to leave it as any and form as any, but if you have a page that your GoHighLevel is connected to, just put that in here as well as the form. Save the trigger. You have that. Now what you want to do is simply select the AI conversational. All right, there we go. And then the calendar, I have this calendar over here. You can create another calendar and then book it over there. If you don't know how to create the calendar, I can just demonstrate it for you over here. So all you have to do is go to calendars and then create a calendar. And then you can select round robin. That's what I use. Test 1, 2, 3. And then we have that. Test 1, 2, 3. Cal. Confirm and close. And then you can pretty much use this calendar and it should populate over here. But for right now, I have it as this. So for the personality, you can just tell it you are Emily. And then for the prompt, I'm just going to paste this in over here. And this is basically the prompt, right? Hi, contact name. This is Emily. I'm the concierge here at whatever. Would you like a free estimate for your roof replacement? System instructions. You're Emily, blah, blah, blah. Your role, your goals. Suggest that the soonest weekday that is not blocked on the calendar, not a weekend. Pricing policy, don't give out the price. Just say that it'll be on the call so that they book. And then these are just some examples of what the output should be. So once you have that, you want to set this to 24. You want to set this to timeout is 24. That's fine. That's 24 hours. Channel is going to be SMS. And then that's pretty much it. You do want to make this 3 seconds or 5 seconds, right? This is basically the delay in which your bot waits to respond, right? You want to make this as short as possible so that the prospect is still interested and still going to book on the calendar, and then basically save action, right? So you save that, you publish that, and then you have your AI AI demo proof. Let's do IT. And then basically you have that. That's pretty much all that's required. And then you, based on your trigger, it will, so whenever somebody submits a Facebook lead form, it's going to trigger the AI conversational bot. And the first thing that it'll say is basically, hey, this is Emily, this is the concierge at XYZ, right? And then again, the way that it's going to look is something like this, right? Yeah. Hi, this is Emily. So the first thing that's going to happen is, hi, this is Emily. Yes, great, let's schedule. Yep. And then let's do 12 p.m. tomorrow, and then all that, right? And then it books on the calendar, and then you have that. This is a different kind of automation for the reminders and stuff, but that is basically how you would book inbound leads, wherein the SMS AI is taking care of all of the bookings. It's connected to the GoHighLevel calendar. If you would like this snapshot as well as more snapshots, I have all the links in the description below. Just get the trial, fill out the form, and I'll send this snapshot over to you alongside other snapshots. Okay, thank you.